Okay, this is my interpretation of your drawing. I don't know if you have a wall here and a wall over here or not. You got corner cabinet written, window, oven range, microwave. This is where I have the stove right there, and then the micro. Let's show it to you this way, maybe. There's your window. Lower that a touch. There's your sink base. There's a base cabinet with 2 doors and a drawer. Wall cabinet above. Wall cabinet above the microwave. Let's hit this button. So I don't know if you got a wall here and a wall here, but I know you want a sink here. So that's what I got you designed so far. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 cabinets, basically. So let me know if I'm in the right ballpark there. Okay, and this is the second drawing you gave me. It looks like you got 98 inches, 98 inches here. You got some sort of a step that's 32 inches wide. Get rid of this stuff. I got a 32-inch wide step right here, 14 inches off the wall. I think that's what this says, 14. Then you got a stove that shows up, 17 inches. There's a stove and it's over the window. It's centered on the window. It's like you got a window here. Then you really have 32 3/4 inch space. And you got another window that's 37 1/4, and then you got 33 inches of space left over. And then you got 98. So I guess let me know if this is accurate. Let's see. And I think you're going to put a refrigerator here. So you can see all the measurements. Obviously unusual to put a stove over a window. I mean, if that's where the electricity is, that's probably going to be the least expensive option, but maybe it'd be better to put the stove on this window, on this wall over here. Or, I don't know if it's an option to just get rid of the window where the stove is. So, a couple thoughts there. Let me know if I've got things set up and correctly, and I'll try and do my best to do a design for you.